to Tokyo. I'm ready for you. So on the slide we got some. We're in Tokyo and we just got into our hotel. We're gonna get some food at 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven?
Yeah!
Do you have 7-Eleven at home?
The 7-Eleven here is way cooler. It's our first day in Tokyo and we're going to
The blossom trees, my G!
the Shinjuku Gion National Garden. The purpose of this trip is to see the cherry blossoms, checked off of our bucket list. Before getting here to Japan, we didn't think we would see the cherry blossoms.
We thought it was over.
Petals flying in the wind right now. So many people around. No one's paying attention to the tulips. And get this.
Alright, so you have to click it and then tap your Suga. Boom, that's all you have left. There's your drink. Is it hot?
No, it's cold. But I don't know what that is.
You gotta taste it.
So I got a drink that has lemon and honey in it. I think it's for when you're sick. I think it is.
Maybe not though. Let her know in the comment section below, but I am getting this. Check that out. Japanese sparkling water. Yummy. So I click here. Want this one? Costs $120 and then I just, oh, that's my freaking hotel card. Take my beautiful Suka card. Boom. That's simple, ladies and gentlemen. Yummy. Should I taste it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try this Japanese sparkling water. So refreshing. I needed this. Ooh.
So much sugar, so it gives you energy. It has a C on it.
For what? Because you need vitamin C?
So insert the money. Beef, one person. And I'm thinking of getting this.
Ramen.
Ramen. Just that. For dessert, the matcha almond pudding with green tea sauce. Yeah.
Get your change, Oz. And we're good. Very simple.
Cubicle ramen place that everybody talks about. I'm finally here. So excited to try this. Fill this out. For the stock, I want medium. Richness, since it looks like it's preferred. The medium garlic. I want green onion with mine. Let's go with medium for the spicy. And then for the noodles, I want medium as well. The chicken here. got the sheet filled out now. Here they have the green tea that you serve yourself.
お待たせいたしました。ありがとうございます。
There's my bowl of ramen. I'm so excited to try it. So loud. But this is cool. Hot.
Really hot. It's good.
I usually don't like ramen, but
Yeah.
this is so good. We're in the motherland of ramen, so
You have to eat it.
yep. And
Do you like the broth? It's really good.
yeah, it's rich, creamy. Like the bones have been in there for a long time, so it has so much flavor.
Hell yeah.
Just take the pork. Mmm. Now I'm waiting for my dessert. Arigato. I have no idea what you just said, but it sounds very friendly. This is the pudding, and it comes with this sauce and this cute little tiny spoon. It's almond matcha pudding. Let's get this sauce
Make it look
on.
pretty.
Yeah. Time stop right there. I need it for my Instagram.
Oh, wow.
It needs all of it on. You can actually taste the almond in that.
The almond?
Yeah. It's nice and light. It's pretty refreshing.
I'll have a bite.
You don't like it?
It's alright.
I like it. Texture as tofu. Give this dessert a 7 out of 10. This is inside of Ichiran, and look how much toilet paper rolls are on the wall here. Nope. I think this side has to be a little over here. So when it goes up, it lifts it off that way.
Oh.
Oh, it was so close. Did you see it almost touched the edge of it? Can we try again? Clip it.
Yo, yo. Oh. But that's good for the video.
No. Flip it, clamp it.
Rồi giờ sao?
Bây giờ xuống. Này chậm quá rồi. Oh, cái đuôi. Xạo.
Good hold, please. Get him.
Oh, you won. No. What? Are they glued? I'm sure they're glued. What the hell is this?
I hope you guys enjoyed this Japan video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and click that subscribe button because I will be uploading more videos very soon for you. And as always, I hope you guys have a great day. If you guys want to see more of me, follow me on my Instagram at NHI_V0. Thank you again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.